Today's the day. Leaving a little later than I originally planned. The YouTube video has given me a lot of trouble this morning, but it is noon and I'm just now leaving, so let's get on the road. It is like 65 degrees out today, which is kind of wild because it's been like hot. It has been hot. It's been a pretty hot summer, but for some reason it's like 65 degrees today, which is incredible. It feels great. That fall weather is definitely starting to come. All right, I just said goodbye to my dad, which means it's official. I'm on the road. I pulled off on the side of the road because it said scenic overlook. So I mean, of course, I have to see a scenic overlook. That's a pretty scenic overlook, I'd say. Nice little view. I mean, the cameras just don't do it justice, do they? It's really pretty though. Oh look, a highway. Of course, nice scenic overlook right next to the interstate. Why wouldn't there be? It's really pretty though. All right, stopped at my first rest area because I gotta pee so bad. I did pretty good. I've been driving for about 4 hours, other than I stopped for the scenic look. But I think I'm gonna eat a snack here and obviously go to the bathroom. We ended up pulling out the Cliff Bar and some Doritos. I'm a sucker for Doritos. You can't go wrong with Doritos. I'm telling you, it's just you can't. Cliff Bars, so good. So it's about 4:30, and I cannot seem to find a campsite within an hour of my location. I mean, there are campsites, but not cheap campsites. I'm looking for a free campsite. Am I being a little picky? Maybe. But I can't seem to find one. So, that being said, this might be my first night staying in a parking lot. So we're gonna find a Walmart or a Planet Fitness or something 24-hour, because that's gonna be my bed tonight. Pray for me. I've never done this before. But I mean, we're gonna try. Let's see how it goes. All right, I think I've decided on the Walmart, but first gas of the trip is happening right now. It's too expensive. I remember a few years ago, or I don't know when, but it was only like $2 and something. Now it's like $4, high $3. There's a bee. There was a bee right on me when I was filming that. I'm gonna go broke so fast. So I made it to my parking lot for the night, and I believe my YouTube video got uploaded. I don't really have much expectations because I have like 10 subscribers. But that being said, it is uploaded. Trying to connect to a hotspot here. Look at that. I have 14 subscribers and 9 views. I'm doing good. Like I said, I didn't expect much. I didn't even connect to my hotspot. I just connected to the Walmart internet and it's working. So might as well use that. Charging my laptop right now, and I just had to walk my mother. Through how posting a YouTube video works. So that was fun. All right, I'm back. I parked in a little bit of a different spot, but I went into Walmart to get a few things. I got a bed sheet, but like a flat bed sheet. I already have one, but I'm gonna use it to possibly cover up the windows so I don't get a sneaking suspicion that somebody is staring at me in the middle of the night, because it would make me feel a lot better. Especially considering I'm staying in a parking lot tonight. And then I got some mounting tape, and if that doesn't work, I also got some thumbtacks. And if that doesn't work, I don't have another plan, but I did get scissors to cut the sheet. I finished the first sign. It's got a little curtain all up on the side. Now when you look in, you can't really, not really much to see except me. Hi. I'm still working on these curtains, but the sun is going down and I wanted to get some drone footage, so it looks like a beautiful sunset, so I think. Got a little lazy. I didn't feel like holding it up, so I used my foot holding up the Gorilla Tape. I'm supposed to hold it for like 60 seconds, but I got lazy. I have the curtains set up. I don't have one for the back, because if they really want to watch me sleep, then they can watch through there, but whatever. And then I have it on the side. I have this right here. I just need to put it up like this. So it just sticks right up there, and then the other piece sticks up there as well. But that's what we got for now, and I think it'll work. Now we have a little bit more privacy when we're going to bed. Like I said, other than up there. Because if they're that desperate, whatever. I mean, for a Walmart parking lot, I have a better view than when I was at the campsite. I look over here, I see the mountains. I look over here, I see just a nice beautiful sky, like an open, not a cloud in the sky, like not a single cloud. It's a beautiful night, and maybe that's why this Walmart parking lot is feeling good. I have to make another trip into Walmart because I forgot wipes, so I can clean my dishes a little more effectively. It just took me like 20 minutes to find Lysol wipes, partly because I just witnessed somebody call the cops on a couple in Walmart for harassing him, and he claimed the woman hit him. Honestly, I don't know who was in the wrong, but the content creator in me wanted to record it and post it, but I decided to be a good person and respect their privacy instead. But man, that would have gone viral if I recorded it, because they were screaming. They were screaming at each other. Oh, that was funny. Let's just make some food. Let's just make some food. I did end up getting the Lysol wipes though. All right. I'm gonna do some beef ramen. That's what we're going with. I don't know how everybody else cooks their ramen, but I have one beef packet right here. I like to crush it up. I crush up the whole thing. I think it makes it easier. Oh, unless you pop it out and lose half the ramen. I like to put soy sauce in my ramen. I put soy sauce in my ramen. I put soy sauce in my green beans. I'm just a freak. I just like salt and sodium and soy sauce. Sue me. I haven't completely gotten used to filming in public, so this parking lot still has a decent amount of people in it. And as much as I'd like to say I don't care what people think, I'm human. I care a little bit what people think, and when people are staring at me filming and cooking in a parking lot at 8 o'clock, I don't know, I just feel a little weird about that. But it's alright. I'll get used to it. It's another reason I didn't film the fight in Walmart, because I am shy. I gotta remember to stay hydrated. I feel like I have not drank any water today, so I've gotten hooked onto Celsius recently, as I've shown in both of these videos. Do it. I'll advertise it. It's actually a little chilly tonight. I kind of like it. Feels good. Feels like fall almost. All right, it's not completely boiling, but I'm not trying to waste this propane tank. You gotta get that seasoning going. Ready? can't see how much I'm pouring, really. All right, that'll be good. That was too much. That was probably a little overboard on the soy sauce, but what do you do? Now you just stir it up. I leave my ramen, I have a little bit of water left in it. I'm just gonna eat it out of this, less dishes. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you cook ramen out of the back of your truck. I like to prepare a toast. It's a beautiful night with Walmart lights surrounding me in the parking lot. Thank you to everybody who made this possible. Bon appetit. So good. It really is. It really is. All right, we are all cleaned up, but I think I'm gonna move to a different part of this parking lot because there's still a lot of people here. And I mean, I'm kind of like almost behind the building and it's a little sketchy. So let's see if I can find a better spot. All right, I definitely found a better spot here. A little more exposure, a little less sketch. So it works out. All right, I think I'm actually just gonna hop up in here real quick and get to editing this video, so. All right, I'm just about done editing this video. It is 11:15. It's time to go to bed. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.